Modeling with curves. Alright, so this example, I'm going to go to the curves menu at the top. I'm going to choose curves, and then I'm going to go into the curve settings, and I'm going to choose either 1 linear or 3 cubic. And the difference between these are for everything that I draw. Here, let me just give you an example here. If it's 3 cubic, when I draw this curve out, it becomes very, very smooth, because for every 1 point I put down, 3 points of control are put into place. Okay? So I get this. And for sometimes it really does kind of fail, so you kind of got to straighten it out. Alright. And then if I go 1 linear, that. Now, get this. So I can make it as smooth as I want after the fact. Alright. Now, I like both. So what I'm going to do here is just give you an example of what you can do with this. Alright, so I'm going to use 3 cubic. And I'm going to draw out, well, let's see. Nice. There we go. Now, it's a big bulbous thing, right? But when I go into it, I have the ability to start tightening this up. Also, what I can do is go to curve point on the curve, and insert a knot in certain locations. So now, by inserting a knot, I have now 1 more point of control. Now I could turn this into an axe very easily. Just a few more control points. And I have this at the very end where it needs to be merged together. Okay? Well, I could do that very easily. Going into the surfaces, I have edit curves, open, close curve. There we go. Notice this time has a nice sharp edge on it. Okay. I can get that same sharp edge by just going like this, however. Okay, just need a few more control points here. And then I'm going to start bringing them together. And now I have my axe. Now I think this is a little wide right here. So the really nice thing about this is you kind of really get to shape whatever thing that you're making ahead of time before you even start to model it. Pull that out. If I had a handle in here, I would need clearance for that handle. I like to keep things a little realistic. This would almost be one of those things that I like, the pole axes. Okay, so there we go. I have a nicely shaped axe head, or a pole axe head. Now in the next video, what I want to do is show you how you can convert this over to polygons.